Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to delete your Vinted account in 2026. Now, if you are no longer using the platform or you want to close your account permanently, Vinted is going to let you do it directly from the settings. So first of all, come here on vinted.com. Afterwards, click on your profile icon on the top right hand corner. Now click on the option of settings. So here inside your settings, simply click on the option of account settings among the given tabs here in the left hand side. So on this particular page, simply scroll all the way down until you find the last option of delete my account. So this is exactly what we are looking for. When you click on the option of delete my account, it is going to basically ask you whether you want to confirm that all of the orders are completed. So if it is done, simply check this box, then click on the option of delete account. Before deleting it, you can also describe why you are basically closing your account so that they could improve better. So once you are done, click on the option of delete account and your request will be processed and your account will be closed successfully. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.